Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Two Jamaican firms, Regency Petroleum and Dolphin Cove, have earned spots on the Financial Times list of fastest growing companies in the Americas for 2025. Compiled in partnership with Statista, the Financial Times ranked 300 companies across North, Central and South America based on annual revenue growth from 2020 to 2023. This year's list is dominated by American and Canadian firms. Sectors such as technology, healthcare, energy, and financial services are leading the charge. Regency Petroleum and Dolphin Cove are the only Caribbean representatives showcasing the region's growing economic strength. Their inclusion signals robust organic growth despite challenges like the pandemic and fluctuating market conditions. Analysts say it underscores the company's success in scaling revenue and resilience during uncertain times. Artificial intelligence takes off in Jamaica. The country's first high-tech lab is set to launch at UTech this September. The government calls the move a digital game changer that will put Jamaica on the global tech map. The official signing took place on Friday. Shamala Pullen reports.
A new wave of innovation is coming to Jamaica with the launch of a state-of-the-art artificial intelligence AI facility set for September 1. The National AI Lab is expected to boost Jamaica's ability in artificial intelligence, create tech-driven jobs, and encourage innovation in key areas such as education, health, finance, and national security. This initiative also supports Jamaica's Vision 2030 goal of transforming the country into a digital society.
We are developing the curriculums. We are going to onboard 100 data analysts, engineers in Jamaica to start Jamaica's first proper AI lab to build agentic AI.
This project is a strategic partnership between the University of Technology and the Amber Group, aimed at making Jamaica a leader in advanced AI development in the Caribbean. Dr. Kevin Brown, president of UTech, welcomed the collaboration and said the university is ready to host the new lab.
Our university offers the ideal environment to support this AI lab with the academic infrastructure, research capabilities, the institutional expertise required to sustain its growth.
Senator Audrey Marks, Minister without portfolio in the Office of the Prime Minister, praised the lab as an important part of Jamaica's national development plan.
With the global AI market expected to reach nearly $3.6 trillion by 2034, Jamaica must position itself as a serious contender.
Education Minister Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon highlighted AI's potential to transform education by helping to build a digitally skilled generation.
What we're unveiling here, the AI Lab and the Jamaica Learning Assistant, are not gimmicks or gadgets. They are foundational pillars of a new era in education.
Shamala Pullen, TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 5,216 points today, while the junior market index declined by 10 points. The winners include Iron Rock Insurance Company, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, Jamaica Public Service Company Limited 7%, Elite Diagnostic, and Paramount Trading. The losers include A.S. Bryden and Sons Holdings, KLE Group, Access Financial Services, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and MFS Capital Partners. 24 stocks traded firm. Foreign currency trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $160.92. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $118.45. The pound is going for $218.18, while the euro is selling for an average $183.66. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.
The Business Day, brought to you